Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Vidyard account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you unlink or remove your Zoom account from your Vidyard account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove your Zoom account from Vidyard anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you connect the wrong account and Zoom's going to be sharing the wrong conversations into your Vidyard. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Vidyard dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Vidyard account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need to unlink your Zoom account, here on the left menu, you're going to click on the admin button right here. It looks like three little people. Once you do that, you'll see another drop-down menu and you want to click here on integrations. Okay, once you do that, you want to scroll down until you see the Zoom logo. Once you found it, you should see the account you have connected to your Vidyard right here. And then off to the right, you're going to see these three little dots. Go ahead and click on there. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu and you want to click on delete. Okay, next Vidyard's going to ask, are you sure you want to delete the Zoom connection? If so, click on this red delete button. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes and you'll see this green pop-up success. So now my Zoom account has been unlinked from my Vidyard account. So it's no longer going to share videos in between the two. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unlink or remove your Zoom account from Vidyard, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.